Hey YouTube, we're gonna do Casual Recs by Adult Books. Starts out with a little run through the chord progression. Okay, that's the main chord progression that goes through the whole song, up until the end. That it just repeats this. At the end, it just does the first part, I think. All right. And it kind of goes like this. When he's singing, he's like, "My sheets are cold, my light is too. I can't remember last night, my only memories of you." And the second one, "I drink, but I can't even taste it anymore. I taste the blood in my mouth, it tastes of you." Alright, so let's break that down. We have two separate chord progressions. So we sing one pair of lines over the first chord progression, and then we sing the next pair of lines over the second chord progression. So, and it just alternates. Well, they both start on A though, 5th fret. Play this with power chords. Just all down like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right. So 5th fret. 6th string root, A. Then it goes 4th fret on the A string root. You play a power chord, and then walks up to 5, and then it goes to the 2nd fret for F sharp, and it hangs there. And then both of the chord progressions end up the same way. They go back to the 4th fret, which is a C sharp. They walk up to the 5, back down to the 4, and they finish on the 5 on the 6th string. Okay, that's the first one. A, C sharp, D, F sharp, C sharp, D, C sharp, A. Now the second one starts on A, then goes right directly to F sharp. Then it goes C sharp, just goes C sharp, D, A. And then again it goes. Okay, so again, the second chord progression goes A on the 6th string, 5th fret, and you slide down to F sharp, and then you go 5th string root, C sharp, walk it up to D, which is at the 5th fret, and then switch to the A, which is at the 5th fret. And then you go back down to the C sharp and do that little ending. So all together, playing them both together, it goes A. That's Casual Rex by Adult Books. Most of the solo in this in the E minor at the 7th fret. Your root is here on the 7th fret on the A string. This is 6th fret on the G. We got a lot of reverb on. It's kind of like a clean sound that's almost breaking up. It's kind of like a surf, if you have like a surf guitar sound, that's good. But just put a lot of reverb on it. Alright, and this you just play all downstrokes. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope you enjoyed that song. Bye.